Oh,
That's why we didn't go there. Yep, I figured.
Fucking evisceration, Jesus Christ, dude.
All I hear is 50 bullets.
So, fun fact if you guys don't know, I have faction leader armor. That is 200 HP, 240 armor. The best armor in the game.
So that's why I have trouble killing 4.
Yeah, because 4 is the exact same armor and HP I have.
oh.
That's kinda...
Oh, gank this guy.
Gank him.
Get that motherfucker.
He's down here, he's down here. He's down over there.
Gank him.
Don't push him, he has an X4. He has an X4.
Doesn't matter.
Left or right, left or right.
Shotgun.
Wait.
Where did he go?
What are y'all talking about?
Oh, he's up there in the cave. I broke his armor. Armor's gone. Get across.
Yes,
Cover and
easy.
fire. Get across. Okay. Everyone across.
In front.
Fine.
There's one more. Behind that pillar. Let's get into the cave just so we can get out of here quickly. We can hold them easier in the cave.
Push it through the gate.
Dari, get the fuck over here. We will not be able to make it.
My good sir, why are we going through these caves? Does anyone have C4?
I have C4.
You have C4. Come over here.
Hey, bye to the other civvies.
Move. Wait,
Hurry.
Come on, move. Cover fire. Get in.
Alright. Good. Do we wait for you?
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
There's so many people with jetpacks there.
Alright, let's move quick. We gotta go.
Oh, and I instantly die. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got ganked. Well, that's unfortunate.
440 health and...
Oh, that is not good.
So apparently they buffed up the X4H. Let me get that now. Thank you.
He's dead. Got him.
Get my car. My bag.
Yeah, man. Don't leave me.
Oh,
AKM, C4, and bandages.
Fuck, he's low.
oh, it just takes a lot longer. They increase the reload. That's really important.
I should have switched guns there.
With the amount of them there, honestly, I think we could just take checkpoint and drive through.
Honestly.
Honestly, the amount of security this time, we could just take fucking samples and they can't get it back.
True.
Only issue was that
Never mind.
laser
Okay,
gun.
never mind. A couple of them hopped on Zeta, I think. We are not able to. Never mind. They hopped back on. What the fuck? Never mind. I don't think we want to kill Raku and a Cerberus unit right now.
Oh yeah, hang on.
Where did I get shot from?
Guys, wait at Sis spawn, I'm coming.
Okay. Actually, okay. Anyone who dies, wait at Sim spawn.
Tell me when you're all at Sis spawn. Just tell me when you're all waiting there.
Alright, I'll be spawned in a second.
Alright, can you shoot me once in the foot so I can,
Alright, shoot me in the foot. Thank you. Time to heal and metagame.
Oh my fucking god.
Nah, this is a music choice I can respect.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, hang on, Dom, move like one seat to your right.
One seat to my right.
Yeah. Cash and sit next to Zom, to the right of Zom. There we go.
To the bone. Are we good to go, anyone? we're good to go, I think.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Yep.
Our numbers are... Actually, it's pretty surprising we still have some people on.
The fact we have people on at this time is wild.
Yeah.
It's like a rotation. Some people get up to it.
I want to go like checkpoint or something. Just gank them all on checkpoint.
There's
Honestly,
way too many at checkpoint. They're bumfuck everywhere there. We might as well go to sample.
Yeah, just
Maybe
let's just
tower,
go sample.
question mark?
Just go sample. Just go sample.
We could go tower. We want
We
to
could do tower, yeah.
Oh, I forgot to grab any sort of bandages. That's fantastic.
Don't worry, we all carry.
We can heal you.
Yeah, we all carry bandages.
Or at least
We're gonna be like
one of those
combat
heals.
medics.
That's it. Yeah.
All right, boys, we've arrived.
I decided to grab the big baby with me.
The X4H. Let's
You
go.
just straight up grab it without like.
I paid for it.
How much was
How do you pay?
It was like 800.
800 when you paid?
That's looking
Yeah, but unfortunately the Game Pass is gone permanently. Happy said.
Yeah, shame. I should have bought it when I was. It was around for like 2 days when I was there, but I was like, do I really want to buy a weapon I don't even know
Pretty
anything
shit.
about?
It was
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
shit at the time.
Because
Yeah,
me
I
and
was
Cook,
planning on
we
buying
were
the
lowly
X1C.
civilians.
How the fuck are y'all faster than me? What the hell?
No gun out.
cardio.
I have no gun out.
Clearly.
Have to exit your cardio.
Fuck's sake. Alright.
Actually, it might be like...
Oh, buddy.
On the right, blue container. Forward most.
I forgot mine.
Okay, let's go through the gates. Let's go through the elevators on. There's no point fighting him there.
Elevators.
Yep, elevators. Fall back, fall back.
Yeah, fall back. Get to the checkpoint.
Okay, I got it. Fall back. There's the heal station here. If anyone else needs it.
Does anyone need it?
Oh, fucking hell.
Shit.
Oh, that was close.
Move.
Our servers are down. Let's go.
Okay, doors open. One more door and then... Actually, no, a couple more doors and then we're at samples. I got it. You just left the person behind. Who did we leave behind?
Some random ass person.
Should have bought a hacking device, little bro. Oh my god, I just opened it. Everyone in the elevator, everyone in.
Go. I would suggest we move. Yeah. That's how I was back there. Alright, gents.
Eviscerated. Oh my god.
Let G-Speed go ahead. He has the best gun.
I'll put down an EMP jammer then hack the door.
They just have him meat shield.
We'll go back to mommy where we get the damn void samples.
Hey there, buddy.
Doors open here.
Oh, what was that?
Who the fuck attacked you? Doors open over here. Doors open.
my bad.
Doors are open.
Open it.
Open the door for the rest of the people.
Doors open.
I didn't get it.
Fuck! I shot him 5 times in the head. How's he alive?
Okay, they're dead.
He's dead.
Okay, everyone here holds. I will go grab samples. Anari, come with me.
We need grid off.
Yep, copy. Going to grid first.
I took down Beardo. He was the other Raku guy.
Doors open.
I'm coming out.
watching back.
I'll stay with G-Speed. I'll stay with G-Speed. Everyone come back to the C4 hole.
They took out the jammer.
Copy. Coming back. Putting another.
I need some defense back here.
I'll try to come back as soon as I can.
Flashbang.
I put down a jammer. You guys just need to hold. You stay with them. I'll stay with them. I'll hack the doors. We have getaway. I have a C4 for our getaway. Don't worry.
He's coming for me. Oh, C4? Who's coming through C4?
Who's coming through C4? Think.
No one should be going through there. I don't think any of them members.
I'm gonna. I probably will be soon because
Yeah.
somehow.
I'm rushing over to C4 hold.
I'm out.
Inari, go help. Inari, go help. I got these doors.
They're too scared to go through when I have an X4H.
Nice, that's all we need. Keep them scared.
Keep them scared, keep them low.
That guy's a KS. He's gonna one-done gank me.
Okay, don't overpeak. Wait, fall back a little so you don't get one shot.
Oh, Oro! I'm low.
Yo, Oro and followers are just like they're pussies. They're just helping the Titan for some reason.
Oh, stay still!
I'm almost. I need healing.
Peanut.
Thank you.
Okay, wait, me and Peanut are about to blow through the wall.
Walls are blown.
Oh, will it? Okay, get ready.
Hey, those are all hostiles. TP plot armor when mag dumped? That's wild. I shot this man multiple times already.
We need help.
Roger, pivoting.
Oh my fuck!
Oh my god, all the shots hit the fucking wall. And I clicked! I fucking clicked! Woo!
Whoa, wait, I think it's some. Wait, I don't know.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Your arms are
guns are shooting through us.
I need bandages.
I'm at the samples, getting void. I'll just get void, and then we can come back later for the Gemini.
More, if you don't mind. Do you have any more? No? Okay, well you better get the fuck down then. You better get the fuck down then! That's why you should get the fuck down!
How many casualties have we got? How many are left protecting?
All are cooked now because he just pushed up.
Who pushed?
Why are you pushing?
Why would you
No,
fucking
you don't
do it?
push in a defensive scenario.
No, we didn't push. They pushed.
Oh, they pushed. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and this dude next to me, who is a slow brain, by the way.
Be gentle on them. They're basically still fresh recruits.
Yeah. Half of our people are still like a week young.
More than half, bro.
Odin got abandoned. There's 2 people. Good luck. That's wild. They just told me that you all just abandoned me.
Shot. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
But why does Vector have a KS?
Because
We going back?
He looted it.
Okay, I don't think we should go back. Is that a fail?
Now I have bandages. Fucking finally.
Okay, if he has bandages, then we try one more time. One more game.
Me and Cash are gonna wait in caves.
Me actually get grenades.
Cash, get over here.
I'm also getting a hacking device.
Okay, shoot me once.
Oh, okay. Here, for the sake of speed, me and Crypt will get the samples. Everyone else should be helping G-Speed hold down. Okay.
Yeah, always heal G-Speed
Everyone else
before
does
yourself.
Yes.
Let's make this completely clear.
You know, I'm gonna call some pals real quick. Hold on.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
When I mean pals, I mean the fucking HRU guys.
Let's fucking go.
Two.
I'll be in the 5 minutes.
We might need to wait here for a bit though.
Honestly,
You guys are at the thing, right?
Yeah, we're inside the cave.
Sorry, I have to go.
V-bait. Hello, Oris.
If they don't shoot us, then I don't care.
Honestly, it's kind of weird. Some of them kill us, some of them don't. So it's like,
Okay, I got C4 for our escape as well when we need it. Don't play C4, we're all dead.
Just wait.
Me, Inari, and Apple Slices are coming through.
Got one HRU wanting to join, so.
Alright, invite them to, give them an invite to Ace. You might not have to. They're probably all in the bag putting back the samples I stole, because I took like 9 void samples. Okay, listen, what I'll do is I will hack through the doors. Cal and Nari, you will grab Void and Dabura. Void is pitch black, Dabura is reddish red.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see if any of the spear guys wants to join too. Vector's already on fucking time. Of course he's not gonna join for shit.
I'm telling you, if we get some PRISEC on, like a 1 Juggernaut, we could honestly hold it.
I'm asking Aether, the fucking unit. Oh.
Inari just got bought.
Inari, no.
Wait, did
Careful when something over that.
what happened to Inari?
Inari dodge wired. It's quick, but it's dangerous to a degree if you don't know what you're doing. Blew the wall. Who just blew the wall?
Who
Fall
blew
back.
the wall?
Fall back, fall back, fall back.
Blew the wall. Blew the wall. Go back. Don't let yourself get scanned.
Yeah, just fall all the way back up here to the cave entrance.
Let them think
Hide
it was
where I hide. Hide where I hide.
honestly, yeah.
Alright, 2 speed. I'll give you an invite. You get them in here. We are all the way at the top. We're all the way at the top. Check your DMP speed. I gave you an invite.
For cave entrance.
Is Synth the guy that's joining? Yeah.
I have 2
No, hold
EMS
on.
screens.
I have 2 associates wanting to help.
Peek.
That.
Okay, since Synth has been ranked, real quick.
Since Vox and
My fucking contractors just left me. Alright, later, bitch. Fuck. I'm waiting on divisional. Still. Hold on. I'm trying to ask people real quick.
This motherfucker's playing Siege.
You know, what about Mac? Is Mac on? Hold on. Oh, or did Aether just DM me? Yeah, he did. I need some back up with. We're doing lab raids.
Wait, like the big Cerberus units? Like the jugs?
Oh shit. No, oh yeah, X40 is fuck. X4, oh.
G-Speed, I know you might not want to do it, but you might need to want to rank me to Juggernaut for 5 minutes, just so I can counter that.
wait, is that allowed?
I don't
know, because they cuffed the Juggernaut and flew it directly at us. So
We have, hold on. We have a specialist from HRU coming, and we have a headhunter from Spear coming.
bad.
Quick rank the specialist, quickly.
No, we're fine. Actually, Jugs is about to get purged.
Oh wait.
Meaning all 4 jug slots other than the captain's gonna be available. Okay.
Wait, who's the captain?
Urkin. Alright, I'm getting up on Aether in. Even though he's a follower, second in command now.
I don't give a
care.
shit.
I don't care. He said he'll help for divisional XP. Divisional XP isn't really given out that much, so that's why people are joining up for it. I just invited H-Man. He should be here soon. H-Man, we're ready. We got a spear guy coming in. So hold on. All right, we got 2 HRU wanting to come in.
Hold on, let's play some
Nice.
battle hymns real quick. We gotta get
We're in the C4 cave. waiting.
Let's see. What will be good?
You guys could raid one more time, but just without PRISEC up at the moment. I'm trying to get.
Yeah, no, I'd rather wait for you.
We're waiting. We're waiting.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, wait
No point in
right
wasting
here.
this having fun.
Wait right here, H-Man.
Just noticed we have a
H-Man, I'm giving you.
Don't peek out. Don't peek out. Don't peek out. We are trying to be as sneaky as possible.
Actually, no, that's a little too loud.
I will peek my balls. Okay.
Whoa.
Anari.
Okay.
I thought you were Christian, Anari. That's pretty against the Bible.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, you can repent by taking the blood of the heretics. Okay, guys. So
Mission is over.
Well, we are compromised.
Please wait.
Alright, fall back. We're gonna go hide in the we're gonna go hide somewhere.
all we hear is music getting louder.
I just heard fucking like I thought I heard it. What
Okay, we're hiding right here, boys.
I gotta up my
I was
graphics.
like, who is that playing fucking initial D?
I thought it was
turned around as in SRS.
Oh, that's popped out of bumfuck nowhere.
Where did he even come from? That dude materialized.
I don't even. Did he come up from
Heal up.
Is that so?
Yeah, he came up from bottom.
Alright, heal yourselves. Heal yourselves. Full HP. Full HP.
No, don't heal yourself. We can
Actually,
reach it
it's
and
more tactical.
Aether's here. Give him a guess roll so you can see shit.
Alright. Yep, copy.
Verify. Aether. Contracted. They're there.
I get it first. Fuck yeah.
Oh,
No, I get it.
Aether's deafened and everything. What the fuck?
He's so unclutched right now.
Can you like undeaf him, or is he just like forced
I guess he's here. Like,
Oh, what
like another gun
running in the
behind.
90s?
I guess he exists.
Bro, just running.
Yeah, look at No Mike Zom.
Let's see this.
Oh, hi Aether. Alright, we're waiting for
The boy
one more
is
race for you, but you know what? I think this is good enough. Alright, let's go. Alright, gents, I'll meet you at Syspawn. I'm bringing over a Kite Hunter
Shut up, Anori.
Nari, shut up.
and an HRU.
Alright, we're at like the hangar with the green screen. We're there.
I have no idea what that Okay. Aether, once we get to the wall, I want you to jump over, meet with them. I'll be over there in a second. Once we get to the wall, of course.
I don't have bolt touch, so I can't like.
Stop fighting, guys.
Shut up, Anari. I hate you, Anari.
Damn.
I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot you, bro.
I love my dads. Yeah. Who's your dad, huh? Who's your dad's? Cryptoxia. Wow, Crypt.
Oh,
You
I'm
didn't
a
tell me.
dad? Damn, bro, I never knew I could be a dad at 16.
He's my zombie.
Why am I
I'm
being
actually-
fought over?
I'm actually currently still talking to Fork right now. I'm telling him, hey, how about you give me clips of, of Ace Company is being toxic and shit, and not actually telling me, oh, well, you should just, undo shit because they're toxic. Blah, blah, blah. What the fuck?
Yeah, so he just
Wait.
doesn't want us to have allies.
Alright, Aether's coming over to y'all.
Yep, I see him in the back.
Yeah.
That's wild. That's wild that he would say that, especially after we made an announcement about toxicity being banned, being a blacklisted. I have mommies.
Okay, Anari, what the fuck are we talking
Anari,
about?
what are you talking about?
Anari, I'm not a mom. You were literally you got cloned from a piece of my DNA.
Mixing Skull Crusher. Who is Skull Crusher?
Does anyone have any C4?
I have C4.
Good.
Okay, I will meet you at the C4 tunnel right now.
Alright, let's go.
Move.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't get Mac, because Mac is also on time. No, not that way, not that way. We're going to Lab C4.
Labs?
Yeah, this is the way.
Okay, yeah, this is down here, guys.
He's talking about-
He was going schizo.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look, free helix.
Free Helix!
Free helix.
Who the fuck is
I wonder who
down
died.
there? I hear people
Yeah,
fighting.
who is down there? The hallucinations.
Remember, Anari, I won't be there for like the first couple of engagements. I'll be hacking the doors for Anari and Anari
There's at least 3 people behind the wall right now.
Wait, hold on, I can look through the wall real quick.
Yeah, just go look through the wall. Look through the wall.
Okay, one TPK, one TPK.
There's people.
There's
off
guys
to
to
the right.
the, yeah, I can't see that though. There's only one.
right.
Oh, something sent it to me. Okay, we need to push in.
Rack you a moment. Okay.
Alright.
Breach.
Copy.
Get ready.
Yep.
No, he's using EMS.
No, he has an EP.
Wait, let them waste their bullets. Let them waste their bullets.
Right instantly to the laser gun. Oh my god.
I gotta get
Vector's dead.
Yeah, I forgot that's not the best defensive position.
You pretty. Your guy pretty much wiped this out.
Yeah, you know what? Let's never try that sidewall ever fucking again.
Only good.
Yeah.
Sidewall is only really easy to do if like there's already people inside, like attacking.
You just suicide.
That's fantastic. All right, yeah.
Let's fucking
I
do
guess
it
we're going for a
again.
main force assault.
Oh, also, what Ace Company would like to join a side project I'm doing.
What's your side project?
It's nothing related. Unfortunately, we can't add your group to it, but I can add people to it. I am co-leading a OTA. If you don't know what an OTA is, it is Overwatch Transhuman. Shit.
Oh, Half-Life.
Half-Life.
Yeah, and I am king for Rangers.
I think I know somebody that might like it. Cough, cough, Canadian.
Canadian might like it.
Alright.
I'm kind of into
We're going
Half-Life.
front. We're going front then. Yeah, so if we had 20 people on our very first rally.
That's
God
nice.
damn!
Like we haven't even started yet. We had 20 people show up.
That's more than 3.
There was 14 echoes, 3 kings, 1 suppressor, and 1 airwatch.
Yo, wait, maybe. Do you want this just in between this, or do you do you want me to like post something about this?
No, it's your choice if you want to join it. It's just a private thing. I'm fucking just, trying to get people for it. Because it seems pretty good. I'm also getting the main modeler for Blizzard, like as like a side project. He's gonna get paid like $200 for this to make the weapons. To make the weapons.
Stabilization.
Hold on.
Don't they kill Zen?
That is the it's pretty much the Overwatch thing.
I know nothing about Half-Life. But like,
Well, good. Now you can learn with
You
us.
have to learn with
thing.
So like, it's like a border.
No, I'll
I mean,
show you.
I played like Half-Life 1 and 2, but like I never understood.
Two. It's basically Half-Life 2, but you're playing as a Combine.
Yeah. It's a combat.
Yeah, you're playing. It's a Milsim, Operation Permadeath Combine Milsim. Yeah.
Oh, permadeath. I've never tried a permadeath before.
No, Operation Permadeath. It's soon to be permadeath, but not yet. Meaning we need more people for it. Okay. Alright.
I'd be down to join.
DM me.
I'll take a little gander at it.
So when are we gonna storm the checkpoint?
Storm the checkpoint. Dude, we're heading for fucking tunnels.
Well, I mean,
Yeah, I'll just DM you.
Right now? Oh, we were waiting for you.
Oh, we're waiting. Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, we got to a point and everything. Oh, shit!
Yeah, there's like TLT up there.
Fuck you, Matt! Go kill yourself!
I think someone got a little angry. Okay, we'll wait at civilian shop for you since it sounds like he died. Horrific.
No, I killed him.
Oh, you killed him?
Least
Okay, where do you want us
angry
to be
Blizzard
at?
player.
So we're coming from the front, yeah?
I don't know. There's just something about
Oh my
Blizzard
god,
that
there's
just puts
there's
rage
3
in your heart.
TSF down there,
Alright, no, I ganked him. Alright, anyway, I just sent the Discord to whoever wanted to join. Oh, I just heard gank glitch.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck
we're
yeah.
going to the, I will take it. That's you guys up there?
I'm on the hill right
That's
now.
Serbius, that is not you guys.
Mamma mia!
Rip. I'm scared.
Be scared.
They're gonna push us with their super strong people.
God damn it, the fucking Ouroboros behind me, shot me, made me lose my ammo.
One's on top of the jet.
TSF.
I broke his armor up top. It's a Cerberus unit with an X40.
Fuck, why can Cerberus units have jetpacks, bro?
Yeah, they have like a shit ton of HP in there.
A flying beefcake is not fun to fight.
When has anything been fun to fight in this game?
Oh yeah, it's not
I got hit 4 times and I'm already dead with full armor. Oh my
It's
god.
one tap. I was already one tap from being jumped by 3 TSF.
That's
Oh,
the average experience. Oh, kill that follower.
Alright, let's go back to the entrance, guys. I'm sure nothing bad will happen. Meet at the first tunnel into the.
Fighting a giant flying beefcake with a 4-tap gun is not fun.
Whoa, what the?
Why didn't they shoot you? Aren't you KOS?
Oh, wow.
Are they testing you, bro?
You cannot test on him. Stop. Let him go. There we go.
Are they really KOS?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
I don't think you're able to do that.
Man, I am so glad.
By Safari.
I want to get on top of the wall. You know that elevator like right there?
Guys, if you're in there, TSF just went down the whole. TSF just went down the whole.
Okay. Fair and balanced.
Oh, okay, okay, they're literally just camping it. There's literally no point in raiding labs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop off now since I'm not fighting people who have jetpacks and can camp and then run away to heal.
Flying jetpack